Tripura High Court has directed the state government to take special measures in order to protect the lives of inmates in orphanages and jails of the state from COVID infection. As per a direction of the High Court earlier, the state government had filed a detailed affidavit in the court on 16th of May, apprising the division bench of Tripura High Court centering the situation in Tripura with regard to the COVID. Yesterday, the bench comprising Chief Justice Akhil Qureshi and Justice Shubhashish Talapatra passed an order on the issue of children in orphanages and inmates in the jail. The order said the young children who are housed in these orphanages need special protection. The state administration should ensure maximum possible testing of these children, particularly considering the fact that in recent times, number of positive cases have been reported in these orphanages is quite high. So far as jail inmates are concerned, the state which is restricted the movement of a citizen, of course by authority of law, has the onus to ensure that health is not jeopardized on account of being kept confined. The bench expected that the state government should take immediate, positive and necessary action in this regard as per decisions of the committee constituted by the Supreme Court on 23rd of March last year. On the other, the High Court has highlighted the need for a constant helpline with information on availability of beds, ICU beds, oxygen supply facility, ventilator service, etc. in the interest of relatives of COVID patients requiring hospitalization. The bench has expressed the hope that the Advocate General will take up the issue with the state government so that the facility directed is created as soon as possible. In the first part of the judgment, the division bench has put on record furnished by the state government in its affidavit on various aspects of COVID treatment and facilities available, including progress in the matter of vaccination. Besides, in view of the curfew orders of the state government being enforced, the High Court has directed that non-urgent filings in the High Court shall not be accepted till 31st of May. During this period, courts located in zones under restriction, the working days of courts will be treated as holidays. Bureau Report, Halabol.